Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with the Alliance Designs Chisel here with me for a quick review, but hey, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this piece right over here. Also, I need to thank my buddy Eden from Alliance Designs for sending this guy along, so I'm able to share my impressions with you about this fella right over here. So this is the Chisel, designed by Jeremy Marsh and with a almost 5 inch long cutting edge and 4.75 inch long handle. Overall length of this fella is going to be 8 inches, so not a small knife. Nice and unique design lines for this pretty cool liner lock going on over here with the snappy thumb studs. So this is the production version of the custom chisel from Jeremy Marsh, of course, and it is a very well made one, I have to say that. Carbon fiber scales, blue anodized titanium liners, and you get to see this is I think Type PVD clip and spacer, yes, and the blade is I think this blade is RWL 34 steel, if I'm not mistaken, and yeah, it's RWL, and hollow grind, nice grind lines. It's very well put together, guys, I am telling you. Nice action too. It is I would say around $340 knife for this production version of the custom chisel, which is gonna set you back much more than that. So it's an accessible way to enjoy a chisel from Jeremy Marsh, and it's a very interesting one. There's a couple things that I'm not really a fan of, like for example, the thumb stud are a little bit too sharp for me. I love the hollow grind. The grip is good, but a little bit of hot spot coming out from here, and I'm not a fan of tip down carry knives. And also I noticed that here you can kind of do this. So this is something, I mean, not dangerous, but still, if you can snag the tip of the blade, it's I wouldn't say like it's safe. I mean, it is safe, you can do this, but if you jam your finger, you can do that. So usually I'm not a fan of being able to do that. I like the tip just recessed down, buried down into the handle, but I mean, probably that's my nitpick. It's not dangerous. Again, it's not gonna poke you or anything, but you just jam it, you can do that. So probably that's my only other nitpick. The sound is really good, nice and snappy, and also the weight is pretty well contained. It's not too crazy in the pocket because of carbon fiber titanium thin liners. It's under 3 ounces at 2.92 ounces. In your pocket, you're not gonna be basically feeling that, but you're gonna feel that snappy sound when you deploy it. So there you have it, guys. If you want to know more, please check out my full-length review, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.